Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm going to help you to log into WorkforGood account. It's a very simple step. So first thing, all you gotta do is tap into your preferred web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome right here. And in the search bar at the very top, you have to type in WorkforGood login and hit enter. And this is a very important step. You have to make sure you tap into the official page, which is this one. Just tap into that and you have to accept all cookies. Now you'll be greeted with this login page. There are two empty fields, one for the email address and another one for the password. Now you know what to do. You have to simply type in your email address like that, and of course your password related to the email address. So you must have seen this square button that says remember me. So if you want the site to remember your information, you can simply tap into that, and if you don't want, then you can simply leave it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Also, if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset your password, you can tap in right here. And if you didn't receive your confirmation, you can simply tap in this blue button or the lettering that says resend your confirmation. You can tap into that. Since we have already typed in our credentials, all we gotta do now is tap in that blue button that says login, and you'll be logged in and ready to go in no time. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.